Hello everyone, I am Chef Baburam. My channel name is Culinary by Nepali Team and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make very famous and very delicious paratha. This is little bit different than others, but this recipe and this paratha I saw 2009 when I was Qatar. One of the chef used to make this, and I like the way how you make. So I want to share you this recipe. Before I make my paratha, I want to show you my ingredient, what I need for my paratha. I'll start with a little bit banana, cooked one, and amul ghee. We can use corn oil and dalda also instead of this, but if I will put this, the flavor from the paratha and taste will be much better. And as I told you in the beginning, this is amul ghee and this is a little bit expensive also and a well-known brand. We can find everywhere all around the world. Then I have sugar, little bit, milk and flour, and I will need little bit of salt just for the seasoning. This is the time to make my mixer for my paratha. I will start with banana and sugar and milk. The milk and water will use as a equal quantity. So I didn't use all the milk. I keep it little bit there, and I will make the paste. Reason of keeping banana, sugar and milk, my paratha will be fluffy, soft and lacha. Lacha means layer. We will find lot of layer on that paratha. Later on you will see. Make sure this banana has to be fine paste. Otherwise, when I will make dough, my dough consistency will be not good. Then when I will roll, then seed will be broken. I don't want to break my seed, so I'll make fine paste. Okay, this is the fine paste already. Hygiene is the most important. If you are working at home, either if you are working at hotel or restaurant, before we make something or after we make something, we need to change our gloves and we need to wash our hand. So I wear already gloves, so I will start with flour. I will not use all the flour. I will keep little bit for the rolling. I will add just a little bit of salt here, just for the seasoning, and the mixer. Then I will mix all the flour how I want. My dough almost ready. As you can see, this is not too soft and not too hard. This is perfect for my paratha. Now, before I roll, I need to give some rest. So I will keep it in the bowl. Add some ghee on the top as well bottom. Then it will be soft, a little bit faster. I will cover this and I will leave it for at least 1 hour. Then my dough for the paratha will be ready. My dough almost set. Now this is the time to make my paratha. I clean already this place, so this is already tidy. I will sprinkle some flour here. And as per standard portion, one paratha has to be 120 or 130 gram. Not big, not small. Now, this is the time to make the ball. I want to make nice shape. You can see. I will try to keep air inside the dough, same like a pizza dough. We need to do good massage. So this is the ball. Now I will keep it little bit oil, either ghee, it's fine, on the top. Then I will leave it for another 1 hour. Then this will be ready to roll. Now this is the time to roll my paratha. This is already soft and ready to roll. I need to melt my ghee very nicely. Now this is the time to roll. I roll it already the ball. Now I will add little bit of ghee on the top, because if you are working in the hot section, grill or this kind of things, gloves is not necessary. Make sure your hand has to be there. I will add again ghee. And I will spin just little bit of flour. If I will put little bit of flour, I will get the nice layer from the paratha. I will cut from the middle, then I will roll. This is the technique how to roll. First, we need to do like this. All the way from here. So, the one paratha is ready. I will start with the other. See. Now I will keep it in the side just for the rest. Then I will roll. I have one more here. I will do it in the same way. Finally, this is the time to roll my paratha. See, you can see this is all the layer. Finally, my paratha is ready. I will keep some ghee or oil, butter or dalda, whatever you like. Then I will start with others. Now you can see the paratha is ready. This paratha we can serve with any curry, vegetable curry, chicken curry, pickle, raita, whatever you like. So I'll make some laksa. As you can see, it has nice laksa, fresh, homemade. This is my signature paratha. If you like my recipe and videos, please do subscribe, like and share. Wherever you are, stay safe and healthy. Don't stop cooking, because I am a chef and my passion is cooking. So let's say today is my off, but off day also I am cooking all the time. So this is my one of the hobby. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.